Drama Matias, a Jimmy Sempata Bofrana Kuma Hawaii. Nelson Tenesoba, a BCS, I can free you. Open your patio, kind of that, obey our pony. Hey, Nicola Bonisam, obey graduate, obey a Casapa. Joe boy, hey, Joe boy, I'm a Bonisana Savasa, Bonnie, Benim Bunny. Joe boy, just there, orange jam was under me, I'm for Frabon into wine. And so, Mr. There, a friend, Jericho, made it. But you submit techniques on the me ideas, me did why. Oh, Piaranya Yeki, Joe boy, Rebecca Mopa. Joe boy, Tin, Joe boy, I'm a Frabonis and Savasa. But you buy when you buy. Joe boy, in a Macrana say on the young copa, Opana. Hey, why are you there? Apache Nakacha was the one in the Granasi.
Yeah, for man. Is there something here two tips?
I'm the kind of almost handy. I'll balance to be.
Mr. Mohammed means I'm a Tony Bimu. To me, she said, in your book keeping you. None of them things I'm with your grub until we may say, oh, we are Mamma Sapak. Oh, come on. City. So far, no, wife, you are no mother. I'm saying, if you all Katobi.
You are doing a good job. Good.
Yeah, you mind, this one for my way to
Mo fe say full tank no.
Obeba be me na ba be.
Sitibra.
Na ba be.
Oh, alright.
And Granny can come.
Oh, come on. You got den care. So far what you say bia me discount.
Oh.
So the way
I'm not thinking that.
The only bari nyina o the edu. To me pese o mo try say at least the flow so that. Ntinevi e follow cra. O betia for near betia for minta. Yeah, ni kakaka. Baby, I gonna be doing. Come on. Now, for man, I born so who be.
I am catch on almost so many minutes. I have come.
But I my mouse Canada.
But I say, listen here, Scaraca. I first one, scanners and listen here.
Okay, yeah, win him. Mint me some come my view. Internet chance, let me come up. Why? Chance.
Yeah,
no problem.
Why? Keep the gentleman. Why? Chance. Okay. What's the new chance?
Now, me new column come up. Okay. Oh, me discover one from one. Why?
What? Me bow.
Me come on. My mouse. I can't say my mouse. Canada.
Oh, my boy, baby.
Naso. Nasi said it to say. Umberto, what? Be. Bible say when young at your kumba will say, your tina or so slow, you know him tabia, but tina trading upon Nasi. So. Nyamenso edina tabakisia no katawso tino mempaba onyame ebeye why bible say we yesu mantampiem eni nya ayaresa enu nti mi se efiri sa breko nyame edina nsabetoso why I wanna do now na eno Una na job boys what's in it? Ba catch me, say lawyer be so umra. Kundi. Ana do boy akunye sika ena ne wura fifi. Otre. Ye de be compile bu. Why na? Oh. Sisi ade kura ha me say akola bia ni wu nkyɛn ena wo hia nsuo kura wasamoa no. So, enti no me de me ba sapoma na me na ba no pa wi anwumere na wa behwew se wo hia bibia etumi aya ma why. Oh, so panel se hwan no wo so firi krum an kakra ni Debbie, you boy coin no panani nam ha. Ada chile ono so na ho na. E ya wo na em sade wo. Minim se na ye be bompai na nyame nso bebam. Why? We see it as na. Me fa ye won shele. Be ye de be kompai bu mo nyame nso aka na chire di naba. Why? Na ewu de yamfa. Wadwen ko so wo ana boni bi ato. Why? Ye mompai. Erade Yesu. Ye da wase. Ye nim se we be ya danse na hye woni nyam. En na yesra wa yaresa. Se tempo nwa ye.
Nwa pa se wo pia ha wie. Na ma ne kiro ha.
This pattern. I'm saying you guys are so do be because she be African. I'm married piece na me ni okunu fan pa. Yes go won ti be jawa chi. But my watch mu but me adum na me hu ha se ba be. Nti manya won pi.
Sabe de o ba se bia. Nkru bibia be di wo a. Me free ho no me de me nsa sei.
Oh.
Me famia be hu ntale mu nyoma ketua bi. Ma fa ni papa bia se no ti na ba ha.
Asem nye police na wa ba show. Ene ni na ba e. Na yami ni penim. I'm say ye nyina ye kunu adamfo. Sana se o ye no. Me de e chi no part. Na enye manage kura. E bi say maso ada from pa me chichi mu ekwan a Jobo nam so era ne company no asefem pa and me am wo inside no me tie no father I've been very disturbed when any accountant ni so ko business wa fama no onye na di following that no GM no so on so in fact want me hwe e ma sa no ko so yin ho di kwa na company no conform asefem pa. Like I said, me as a lawyer to your husband, maybe to the company, I'm very happy at all.
Okay, lawyer, me pacho minchano. There's one thing I want you to know. Say, Obia won dreams. Some it's not Siana me between me kunu. Na me say me kunu dreams ni say. Obe bra peja padia and wakofa. On say san about. Wakofa be from nowhere. No ba be say na japadia na me kunu dreams no.
You are wrong there. You are wrong there. Honestly, me sure say okum na agency say company wa brand who establish no. E be good sir.
Na kwa bejawe.
Na
kwa bejawe.
Whoever thought? I don't think so he had that kind of idea say maybe and say go no one guna say no. Unfortunately, it's a when it's right now focus situation. But then aba me be ya mama ne boni bia. Em say okum me nka we ya. Onya plane accident. Plane crash no do we. Na insurance biwo anya mi aduma fe na aba.
Amina me nkosane asafa ma jowo na na.
Na me share in fact the amount involved is very big. Big indeed. I'm personally Jobo see I mismanage company now. I'm going to say, I think I will be the biggest fool and I would be very ungrateful to Mr. Kwati. So they may chance to join and say, no. Scano, I will work it in your favor, in your name. And you see, and as I speak to you now, everything is ready. I'm only asking for your consent So okay, go ahead. Then I'll work the money into your name, and everything comes to you. That's really anything I'm embarrassing you.
Let me walk across with that. I'm in my office. What's it name?
Messy.
Oh, it's such a thing.
The amount involved in your husband's, insurance, from the plane crash is so big. Now, I'm just now a job I see a mismanaged company now. It's a long you go. And the advice I wouldn't make the right thing for me as a lawyer to the company. 7 months can as I could one was I misuse. What I've done is said, my ABBI in such a way said, so peninsula dear, the money is coming to you. Also, just said what they are.
So you mean the only thing I have to do is just to sign?
Agree.
Yes. With you, says the Canada Bank.
That's all. But you need to know your
I go crack as a woman who could and coupon had that so
yeah, I want to believe that, at the end of it all, things are really going to work out.
Could you really feel it? Many not come in upon thing. Nanka me catch a ma equa wari or moon there. Or for Musu, no more winning a minute. Only the reason why, dear, Never Pemono. Why? Then Uncle Poatas won't sell pass a what dream no what dream company, no what dream me, no timidity cassia bring. My president is a purpose in any agreement to be about. Just call me.
What I say sooner very soon with the Albanians and Scannable.
Yame, Mate. Just give me a call. Why? That's a pie. You mean, why?
Bye bye.
Tracy! No way. I'm not going to listen. Tracy!
Yes.
Oba, Mommy, that's native. Go boss it. Now, about any Tracy. Now go home. Or one never make yes. What is your way?
Me, she will not go now. Bibias, you know.
Yeah, I don't touch your brow. What is some lawyer number? No, besides, say I don't want to be piano.
What about Junior?
And then your mother to a piano.
What about Jay?
Debbie. Accident, no, plane crash, no.
I
think you insurance.
It's only a cushiniba man. Then all the catch away.
That plane crash insurance. No, I understand what Pino Moore was saying. So they can't job boy one. Said, oh, your company. So will be
so the other day.
Hey! It's about I say, maybe Pimisuke.
Nice, the bachelor.
Miminan.
Nice, can you correct him what? And was it say? And you
if I try to go to our way purpose in the PR. So at the right time. Hey! The banana sign it is a cunning who made my countryman. And this is Kakatuo. Oh, my dear, point me.
Onyami go crocodile belly.
Onyami go crocodile belly. Onyami go Onyami go. Yes, I. What's it? What dear? Yeah, what's it in the plan? Never. I am yo.
Yay! Ready?
The two bow by your wedding.
Onyami go crocodile belly.
Onyami go crocodile belly. Onyami go.
I don't Onyami go crocodile.
Onyami go.
Onyami go crocodile. Memory means so.
Baby, what's in me?
Yeah, you're not doing so. You're
hanging. What do you
Chambai si me ka cho se yen shaya sam we merate na rade mre edua na me be hye na ho anim nyam sesa oba ene hwe de nyame aye wo mo hu wo sere ye no eno be hu asi wo mu trase ye rade
me ya Nancy
rade
si nyame ka ho cheers
rade
to our success
yay Nancy mani adere asan ho is our sister oh rade Entina when na wo ho oh god Nancy re asan ho na fino aye boni ti mode
no fino ya wo se kwati
Nancy am fino chai
Good day, madam.
Good day.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
All right. Well, I'm Frank Kofi Gaben, and my mate here is Akosia Nochua. We are from Trinity Investment Bank.
Okay.
We are here to see your boss.
Actually, my boss is not in at the moment.
Gosh. We are here to give him this, so since he's not.
Okay, I'll hand it over to you.
Oh, okay. Your name again?
Sister Susan.
Susan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
All right.
Hello. And you know the
yeah, kasi ni ese ni si.
but my main floor, my bed 2 minutes, my main floor back. Why? Okay, me that's go away. Yeah, Joe. Joe, I feel I'm cool. Okay. Seven no work be say me call a class in you can say I tell me eh bra.
There is all kinds of next week.
Dabi. And we will never. And Thursday, none of kind.
Oh, no one can tell me. Say go see so.
Okay, so we so ya work. Look at the mama you class and cat me kokra ni comedy can carry that but on a cat and kind of minis can come will be mount. And I will say also what now corner it means and concern me person back on now.
The phone oh, what you go see here?
Because you.
Oh, I see me from you.
We see my catch it do ya worry.
Oh, Mrs. Berkshire, catch me, yes. Oh. This guy, what catch you, lady, man, say me danas. You fire our woman in Mete. Na, I'm not a man, no one can say the boom. One you none your person didn't be here. I'm fine. Be asking me now. Come on, so. Right. Because I'm a tough one. I'm playing now. Yammy, I'm be I am now. Panamaka Sawai. Hello, send you away in there. So far, you now cooking it now.
And he said me the card not cost me 50 for no.
Who we should call?
And said my father meant to come my fast.
Hey, you must say some document. But I was sad about the truck when sleep. As I have a banana,
or some coming back. Also, when you say we buy some side my work. This man call Arman now, I'm coming for partners. Meeting good.
Okay, by be very careful. By you. The whole time, I'm a tumbo. Kawa.
Okay, Marty. Do you mention the Davena Babasa?
What the urgency from my you? Well, lady. We all could obey. Come on, some is a woman. Umehwe. Emi ezi bu obi wa ha.
Menya will be very important. I have to call.
Call Ben when you very important.
Yes, sir.
Obi ewu funu ni ofu. So obi wo okru mo funu na funu no, je se oto funu yi.
Obi wo okru ma ya wo.
Ana duma na sembe no. Obi na ewu okru. Je se obakwa yi no kra, okru na nti. Bona mane.
Me say it is very urgent. I have to go. I didn't even know.
Urgent say. Sebi wo ma me no papa na ewu kra na. Untimi mfiti preocupe na nko abra wo ne be mate. Obaba mama ne. Obi o ye ugo ti ukromo ewu a.
I'm sorry. Me na minchi. Make be say.
Sesia na opa na epiako. So ono ko wan krami. Uso a wo ti fi am na
go. Oh, opa na ko minimum. Okay.
Ono susi o ku ikro. Ah me kra na mama ne so fa ko mama.
Minimum kamini ni na go.
I catch you say who piano the eye to window. Money to window. Papa ya credit. Next time, we be heavy study. I would confirm my first one. Before the meeting because of the wife. Also, show who see once in an hour. Why? Idea of baby quite hot. The man is a son. Cockay! Miss Cockay! For by the dinner, that's how I'm going. I did quite hot. Make a slow pan. A dinner gay affair. I mention if you live in the man's son. Every man Vivian be a nurse. I got quick.
Why are they? What are we quite? Sorry, where are you? Not to be here.
Kebenya 50 million. Once I chippings nom de buy na san. I hear no so asa. And abuba nom de buy so asa. Kebenya 50 million ke da complete the year.
Where you for? Now you will success right. This we know not I never can be a financial. But who's not boys who's having moms? Yeah, in Canada, they're not. Look, so man, if I say me Bemu at least this week and I said next week, and then to come in coffee, the hotel when I may be, the one may be the time of baby. I trust you. Do what you can.
No problem. Yeah, dear, send over the cacan. You demand them friend the agro. That's it. Be amo send over can.
Please.
The man be 1 week. Man, my hammer. You will be.
I can't go home again. I will base on the hotel. On sorry, you finish.
No problem.
You wait for my wife, man. Why? But your wife.
Oh, I know there any problem. So when you smell baby, you better there. No.
Fine.
Oh,
from me, don't. Oh, remember me, man. Oh, boy, from me, give it to me. Come on.
No,
give it to me. Give it to me. I give it to you. I give it to her myself. Give it. Oh,
boss. If you want to tell and you,
you want to tell me,
no, I just get
Magic say,
I am why.
We nation, honestly.
And I'm the German patch.
Yeah, much more.
And one I'm the German patch. Why? Maybe be why? Boss. Hey.
Okay, I love you. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Same day. I go to Susuma say. Still for him life. Who is super? I mean, we are far home. We are minimum. I'm the German mama about in Ababeji. Oh, we are almost say you for you. Almost like we for say we for so no matter what you know, Daho. I'm out to me a Juma. Oh, yeah. Oh, the Biana Maconem we for qua. We. Onya se kwa ke school kwa me fa nko no wi ni bi. Kwasi ase ba kwa. We dey biara mu di wi for atem because wi for aye de.
Second, dear Nakos word, Mama. Huh? And you know your boss, we see the Nakos word, Mama, boss. Now, me ma ko ba ni se me kwa ko iska. E ka chem se scan account. E ga na ko so.
No moment, no go for me the letter by. Sorry, Mama.
We the secretary work. We need to be away. No what man say. Let me. That is king come me him. Sure. Mo di be dia do no ma. Mo bua. Mo ye ku me bua. Mo ye kan ta ku. Mo bua. Semnata. Na me ko ba ko check mi sika. Maka so yes iskemi. Yani tell me mtani menya ko inside. Pick it. Dia sama hwanya.
Every bank.
Bango. Almost say.
I would say like company bank.
What do you mean? Bank so me say me sika no. Omo do me say to scam so. Eno ko an lawyer say me sisa mo no. Dama afe omo do me say to baduma no so. Ewu no pe.
Boss.
Bank full man. Bank you need say bank full man.
Boss.
Bank full man. Me kura my mistake. Say me me sika say we start this bank.
No, boss. Me ba trying.
This bullshit banks.
Maybe me ba trying to certain things but you don't.
Hey.
Be chia
Yen fan kwa bo mi koko. Say yen fan no mu kwa bo mi koko.
Boss, I even know nothing about it.
Don't say that. What do you mean? Ban men jani your boy ana. Nonsense. Ban men jani your boy. Nonsense. Hey. Someone na kwa kwa isa ku no ha. Ababa. No obi wa hanam di na di o. Obi wa hanam pamo no. Na obi wa sha. Ebe better say. One no mo kasa. No ma run the company. Understand? Yes, of course. Better. Nonsense.
Take it easy, sir.
Take it easy so you have us.
Okay, pa. Tama na ma ocho. Da se chosa. We. Right, almost one.
Sorry, had me.
Did that here?
Sorry, had me yeah.
What's that? I don't know.
One year,
Me feel I'm trusting me. No abo point me
Cool down. Cool down. Ma won se sika de won wia o some twa o chimia. Some to me mo.
Is it sending me makuzi?
Sisi ani sika ni drawer sika egu mu nyina da bag ni. So we don't even have to go to the house. We don't even have to go to the house. We don't need to go to the house.
That's why I love you. You are a trustful person. Always. Since I'm a year prime, your baby accurate. Perfect. Excellent.
Bomidi, if I'm saying.
Miss Koi.
So everything have to go perfect. Do you know what I'm saying?
Koi, win. You see? Oh, Mami, Anna. Okay, don't worry. No,
One cry me fit, ma.
Only. You see the man, I could see say. I couldn't form my hand. Also, bring me up. Yeah, also bring me out some small amount. Forget it. Yeah, or yeah, the near here than Sa. Also, we have some small amount. Bear, which is 50 Ghana cedis.
50 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, which old currency 5 million, 50 million.
50 Ghana cedis is 500,000.
Sorry, 500. Yeah, old currency is 50 million.
That's Kafian. How many?
On person the complete yeah. The person you took and when you it's no I can't tax be a hoy. If you say no, if you mean some could be simple, near I say about cop maker, and I say even cosy to water. You could base you until say on baby.
Okay, Matty, so what are we even doing?
Yeah,
let's go.
But the last point, me per se, Minuko village.
Oh, we are sure.
You're sure.
My mom cannot wait to hear this. Oh, as long as
you are in your near between feet. Nay, you need your boy, Nika can be a view. My wedding. Oh, could you young like man? Go even when you couldn't have so many house.
Okay, be our tabadi.
Why do you want the wire? Because only I have. They put him call on 1 day. No one says, idea near you. Then yet, it
wasn't a joke.
Yeah, it wasn't a joke, but it is rare. It may be said after when you come, you couldn't have it. I remember it. Now, many of one day crown sana.
My mom, my crop away home. They be a mini castle away home. Oh, yeah, but so much to be a man. And now, of an bachelor, and he said Jimmy Ford.
Miss Quackway.
I love you. Love you more than
you have done a nice job, very good job. I don't know how to reward you, see? I mean,
don't worry, we are going to do all that thing.
Hopefully, you know, it was a young soul, you free and young cop. Let me come on, I mean, you be Pia,
okay.
Because you can afford to be economic.
Don't worry, let's go. We are not even doing anything, so I'm fearful. But I mean, person make a cut now on completed building the
you know everything.
That guy know.
I've not had everything for you. So let's go. Okay. Okay.
Emergency call you already. Yes, let me give you this. David, when you tip off, sir, see how you phone me back here. See how you phone me back. Who says I'm going here? Who's on me? What's in the make of David, who the only of you, who knew yes, sir. Not my fat, I'm fat, I'm fat. You're not talk money.
Ciao. Friend, and I'm calling Sergeant Atubila, and I'm bank official from Trinity Bank. I'm sure master. Master. So you will be meaning you don't be.
Oh, patches only master on me if you are.
O master no tiya Joe boy ne kana se Joe boy oh why
Yeah, me master Joe boy. O twi ma wia no ma yi. Ye me be to be di kra. Abo me.
It says how patches only my teacher.
Ka ko me ni gate.
Unko na wo fia.
Me ni gate.
okay I'm saying ya say mo se bia ni obi ago me I decide this is just a sin from the original police headquarters when she to me kaka ya dey amine say o master aban agnesa atu fie ni na japa dia wo nyina so enti no o dey say to me amine se dem na matoto fie happen nyina na wo so fifia akọ
Na me ko he fa.
I dia when only be a wo to say if you happen we dey aka bia wa if you happen na say
Okay, na me problem.
if you happen I say atun na wo
If you are from here, can you pass a walk from here?
Ni kan to me di ni mo.
na dia kan
Ni wia
it
na.
was sign the ofia
The enemy na question if you are from the jado here.
Emu wia na ma.
Check off your call.
Ba ko ha sei.
Ana ba ko so here.
Ba ko so ha. Right here, you know me here.
What's it doing? Tell them now, quite now.
Ni kan ko ha dia na.
You know.
Oh, really?
Na miss madam for him bana kaja yombe da wasi. Da wasi pass. The lawyers ni na le be san kami kun free me. I won't feel me crab you.
It's my job.
I know. Na we dey. No I know.
We ADM say and share any very good news. But eventually can turn out to be good news depending on how you take it. Let's go to Mammy Fat a sure.
Washing company and feeling now.
Yeah.
Why?
What was the last time we met? We called Joe, that boy. Joe boy, or mismanaged company.
Oh.
And he has gone to take loans upon loans upon loans upon loans. Now, loan will give you no misuse. He's come to a point and said the banks are demanding their money.
So that, right?
Yes. That's how I was having to give the money back. And they have to auction the company, but everything that should or starts in the name of your husband, they have to auction everything to get their money back.
Can you imagine? And you was something when I quite into
I don't think he knew this would happen, please.
No. This is a lawyer.
This guy is still in court. Let us see what we can do from now on. I came to you to suggest it's a bit true. A lot of times, before I do that, because I send me your consent. This is a bit true. Why don't you go see the auctioneers? Live with them. Know how much is involved. You know, that is the amount of money that's involved. Please. Now you share with me a person, to salvage the company, their house, and everything that your husband actually stood for. Now, I think with the money coming from insurance, maybe with your own little effort,
I can afford to pay, right?
You can.
But lawyer, there is one thing I want you to know. I don't want to do this.
Please do.
I don't want anybody to say, me na ma fufa fa kwan bi so kra ama afedio kwati friend say do boy enti me ahwe company ni so at the end of the day.
The whole world knows.
I don't want them, no. Yeah, the company ni na share it. I should just handle it.
Please. The whole world knows how this boy is mismanaging the company. Or rather, has even mismanaged up to this level. Nobody will blame you, say, oh yes, I did. Because, say, yes, sir, your husband's name and everything is too for good and the drain. You see what I mean? So please think about it seriously. You come on,
honestly, if it's not you,
at least
I care less.
From me.
I care less.
Very good.
Me, the little one on the mom, I will try and manage it.
Good.
Do you understand?
So that's why when the money came, yes, okay, let me give it to you. But I believe, say, you go home. You know how much is involved. But I believe, say, it's a huge amount of money. Yeah, and to me, training in our crowd, defer everything to the bank, sir. You know, we can work out an agreement. I'm sure they will agree. Say, okay, this is how much we have paid. And we give the rest to you for so many months, for so many years. Now, knowing who for you are, no, same as a quarantine wife, no, I believe say you can't but yes.
Me, I don't see the reason why my husband should handle this whole company and everything to this silly, nasty. I don't even know how to even mention his name.
Mr. Quarantine, he will grieve. So,
I don't believe this. How can he handle this company to a boy from nowhere? Nowhere!
Please.
I don't think this guy can even write his name. A whole company.
So what do we do?
Lawyer, me, my hand be at the amount.
Fine.
Just go and find out from the auctioneers if it's possible for me to pay the amount. If I can't afford it, then as you said, no.
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I knew you would. I'm happy. And you mean same repeat.
Miss Rowe, where do you men say? What here now? What a moon is and then they are Miss Rowe. Eat my food for today. The piano person with your man car one year. Yeah, that was I say eat lunch in my house. Why? I'm 5 minutes.
Without wasting much time, on behalf of the Trinity Bank, we give you all the documents as well as the keys to this house. I can feel what you are going through. Please.
I made a promise to myself that I will never cry.
It's all right.
Just that I've missed my husband so much.
It's part of life.
This is where we used to sit. It's that I never had. Quite enough missed you.
It's all right. God is the giver of children. In God's own time, I know yours will come.
What belongs to you will surely come back to you.
Yeah, it's a lesson. I've learned it too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What I'll do is I'll come to your office tomorrow.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We wish we could spend a few moments with you.
I just want to be
yeah. Let God be your.
Thank you.
All right.
First of all, I think and I don't think I have to go that far because Munim said for now to see the company as a media. The name of the radio so the Munim could see a Jumano and said many Jehu. They pay Anya Ama. Nyoma ye basaka kwa ama mu free company ni na asa be media they I think say money the right and the form with ya boa me company apostle nti na me frame nti ni tintini mi tete mu an say mu nyina mo sa be ye adwuma wa kwa bia be take me position say the na a fresh no na mo me na bia say wa company ni bia no them building the back so the net let me say papa no baby and car will be and any budget you want na confirm
where they are amen madam
thank you very much
Pachopi Joba say one Pacho
leave that idiot I don't know where he is I don't even want to know he's the last person I made you know who class is the most important thing is ever share a company no let me stand on its feet again.
First of all, I will say we thank God. I'm very happy for you because this company lost, and I will say now we have found it. Through that boy they call Jew boy, a lot of people were sacked from this company, and some of them resigned. By a lot of things that he was doing in this company. But I think now that we have called us back again, we will do anything we can in our power to help pick the broken pieces of this company and refix it, build it to where it was. So I would say we thank you for calling us back again.
Anyway, I would like to add one or two more things. I think it's a nice idea for you to have called us back. But it's really very sad, I mean, for us to, help, like put up such a big conglomerate and then watch somebody come and bring it down to ruins. Something that we helped build over the years, and then through the activities of some unscrupulous idiots, if I should say that. But then, like you said, we are very appreciative of whatever that you've said, and I think we can really help by bringing the company back to its standing, and maybe we can even help improve things now.
God has to become one. If you have any problem, just come to me. I think saying to me about what, and I'll do something. We can make it. And we will make it.
I think there are some people who resigned.
No, if you think it's necessary for you to call them back, you can as well do
some
that.
of them went on voluntary resignation or retirement.
Oh, really?
Yeah, resignation, yeah. I, for one,
call them back.
Yeah.
If you need them,
Yes,
just
we should call them back.
call them back. Why?
And then also one more thing, maybe let me put this thing across. I want to know whether maybe we'll be given a platform on which to operate, because we wouldn't want to be in a situation whereby somebody would be meddling with our affairs.
So do your thing. Don't let it. Give a friend, more first secretary. Why not move to accountant?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And so you people, when will you start?
Let's say Monday.
And then the person will maintain an office now.
Alright, thank you very much.
The more I renovate work, I see the buffet of the ball. For now, we to me, I call the other office and I renovate to one.
Okay, no problem.
Right.
Madam, thank you very much. That's it.
Ago, Nana. Ago. Ago Dama. Ago. Ago. Nade. Nana.
Boy. Why for papa? No more. I'm be there na mo ko.
Oh, be there. Nyame hwe da de man.
Ene na o ye bear man.
Let it say.
Joe boy. Acha papa.
You need to make sure bro. You can't maybe a bunch of things.
Send you na isusa no. Ti robi enya na wa ya body fufu. Oh, why fe? Why nice for? Let it say. Eh, na dey why be memu, why be ma. I feel na Musa start Joe boy, we Joe boy.
They say we are there. You baby akobe.
Na kwa ba nso.
Yeah.
Baby a free e.
Oh, bako.
Yes, dey dada na, dey free mo kwesa.
Be. Be. If ya. We ache. Na se mtimi ba na mbesa amanfo.
Na o chiacha ye ka.
Ona se me no. Ene dey open kura mitimi amabio.
Joe boy dey have show.
Oh, aja. Kakaka. We metimi na nazo nkache na mseni. We ban ma besra na jama chacha amanfo. Eso me ba ma bopu na ande bi okwa aba me na.
O Joe boy.
Em zo kwa aba me na ma. Wo bi a ofi okra na mabita na zebze. Na woni twa no so.
Joe boy why asem papa?
Ade.
Ntu na na asem na oka na same.
Ade.
Ah, so ma wo se kregu.
Sese.
Joe boy why are wholesome.
Tell me tin touch.
Oh, Joe boy mo anya. So we do no round me so do ma una ne nkwa na e wa ha. Na Joe boy ti mi ja una na say he na wo ko e.
Na say me kokro ma me na me mane no.
Joe boy mo anya.
Bi say ya me mane me na tam bia bi.
Mami yare da ha.
Na me na yare. Na gawa nto me nkra na me na de na me hwe no.
Joe boy, mami o yare da ho. Sabi na nya sorry na de beto nsuo kura no kana mami nya.
Me na.
Ena won so won tensam.
Oh,
na ma wuti radio.
Ofri abamba de egom bi obaka che ma
ba ma no. Mimi ka sam na kire wa say edien. Mimi na me more stuff na was minim dictionary mu. Die de me ka kire wo no. Me se wo nana e yare da ha na nya sorry na ka de beto nsuo na anom ka no onya.
Me nana.
She.
Oba me bisa.
Na mama ka asem ni yo ofri na eba una na ewu ama ya kosie no mretenti afa no kama
mimi na nawu
wanya ade jogo wanya ade kura na kase na no na titi
mimi na nawu ana mimi ntiye
na obefe ba to hwan una na ewu kama mu di edan ne ma ha wonte ye ama me matete teachers bi kwa do mu abakro mu na eba abeje what say una ne wanya ade o jogo wanya ade se na no na titi pa wanya ade
me na nawu
wanya ade hwese no hotia ya fe wonti mi amma no na tika akra kɔ de beto aduane di kra ebo no mo na yare da ha no nyo obi kro betina ne nkyɛn wanya ade afi do ba hwe na na so wa beto da to o se nipa ho hia wo dwane kra ka bona ma ne pote na gise hwe do ho fa ya di papa
Yasin. Si no yasiti. Sikafo ne hiafo nyina asem ye baako. Nyampa. Bi ma hu sikape. Ne hwede awie mi ade. Ni sika magro madamase. Ayon kusem tuasem na namidi so na de mo hwe na ya daye na meso daye so anka madacha kama so ni sika menana mana no ba ko Bakupe kura so gidi yese opana sikei wan fama bo so de ba kura so a gidi yese na nti ase opana so obo a mimi ma mi di mi sikei na mi hwe opana ni upi afajan gane hin okro Sama tutu no kroketi. Na memra me nana nkyenya. Abrewa isu owu. Ne na owu bi adawi. Ede na owu di. Sama to ame nana nam kaka kye nsema njeda. Mi besre na masa ba wiase. Ba me hwe makwan. Good, yeah. So simple. Me the second woman, it me a down my car bomb, and no my pass my movie. I bring you on one. It shall come for a common death. It shall come. Move.
But from one into why, and so miss there.